check this out, eh? Yeah. Man. Damn. Yeah, the person behind me was tailgating me. Not now, eh? Yeah. Well, I'm glad I got me a truck. Okay, so I heard it's been raining for the past, I don't know, couple hours. I heard it was flooding, but I'm only about, I don't know, 2 blocks from home. And it's just a gushing in there. Let me turn around. Oh, that's a curb. Holy crap, look at this. Where's this coming from? Wow. Oh wow, look at this. Floodwater's gushing down. Okay, there's a hill just up ahead, so where it's coming from, well, that's obvious. There's like debris on the road. Okay. I kind of see where it's coming from. There's a hill straight ahead of me. There's wow. Whoa. And then there's another hill area. This road goes up. After the bend, there's a hill. Okay, so that's about as deep as it's really going to get. But wow. Alright. Let's go this way. Okay, I'm kind of going back to where I came now. My brakes are kind of wet. Yeah, it's flowing pretty good. Oh, lightning. Alright. Man. Set of railway tracks here. And it's collecting, but after the tracks it's just flowing down. Kind of going downhill from here. All it takes is for the rain to find that one portion of the landscape where it dips down and gets lower, and there you go. It all collects there. I don't know what's stopping the storm sewers from draining it away, but maybe they're clogged up. Damn. Okay, we're coming up to this one part of town where, yeah, everyone knows it as the underpass. And let's hang over here. You can look at it. Oh yeah. And usually when we get, see, it's there's this one road that goes underneath the railway tracks, and as you can see, oh, we got a stranded vehicle. So yeah, every time we get a deluge of rain, yeah, we get this. It floods. It's probably knee deep, and there you go. We got a stranded, wet stalled vehicle. Okay, so I go through the drive-thru to get me a cabbie, and yeah, one side of me is like soaking wet. Okay, so let's peel that off. Well, damn. All right. So fix a runoff from the hill, which is like 2 blocks away, and couldn't keep up. I guess it was clogged. And the city fixed it, so so far so good. There hasn't been flooding coming right through my yard, so we're good there. But yeah, other places in town we're getting some major flooding going on. Alright, so anyways, I get after I went through that those floodwaters there, I'm glad I got a truck, but I guess my brakes got kind of wet when I first went through there and went to use my brakes. A little bit laggy on the brakes, so yeah, I'm glad I didn't, usually when I get home I park right at the end of my driveway in front of my garage, so, well, that would have been a drag. Yeah, garage doors don't usually stand up too well to, something that's more than like 4,000 pounds. So at least I know that the floodwaters is gushing through the storm sewers instead of going through my, my right all the way through my backyard and into my garage and flooding that out. So yeah, it was like this much rain in this much time. So wow, that's quite the deluge. Well,